This video shows how to add a node to an existing HP Aruba Central on-premises cluster through the user interface. Nodes can also be added to the cluster using the command line interface. For information on how to add a node using command line interface, you must refer to the HP Aruba Central on-premises CLI bank. Expansion of a cluster involves adding nodes to enhance capacity, performance, and resilience. Based on the existing cluster size, you can choose how many more nodes can be added to the cluster. Before proceeding to add node operation, you must keep in mind the following points. 11-node cluster is supported only in HP Aruba Networking Central on-premises 2.5.8. Hence, to move from 7-node to 11-node cluster, you must first upgrade your HP Aruba Networking Central on-premises software to 2.5.8 version. Back up the cluster before starting the add node operation. If the add node operation fails, do not perform any other operation and contact Aruba support to troubleshoot. You must use only non-FIPS enabled nodes while performing add node operation in a non-FIPS cluster. Before adding nodes to an existing cluster, you must have the following prerequisites ready. You must have the access credentials of the new node. The new node must have the same HP Aruba Networking Central on-premises software version, subnet, gateway, netmask, NTP, DNS, and hardware and software requirements as other nodes in the cluster. The new nodes must be configured on the same network as the existing cluster. Ensure permanent network configuration settings are done on the new nodes to be added to the cluster. After the completion of the HP Aruba Networking Central on-premises software installation process, reboot the node. To add nodes to an existing cluster using the user interface, set the filter to Global and select System Management under Maintain. On the System Management page, under the Performance tab, you can see the appliance resources listed. Along with that, you can also see the central system status. To add nodes to an existing cluster, click the Add Appliance icon at the right corner of the Appliance Resources table. The Add Appliance Resource dialog box appears. Select two from the available options and specify the valid FQDNs of the two new nodes you want to add in the required fields. After you enter the FQDNs, the Add option is available. Click the Add option to start the Add Node process. You can see the Add Node operation in progress in the System Management page. The maximum cluster size the HP Aruba Networking Central on-premises supports is 11-node deployment, which can be achieved in the below combinations of Add Node feature. You can expand a 3-node cluster from 3 to 5 by adding 2 nodes, or 3 to 7 by adding 4 nodes, and then 7 to 11 node by adding 4 more nodes. You can expand a 5-node cluster from 5 to 7 by adding 2 nodes, or 7 to 11 by adding 4 nodes. You can expand a 7-node cluster from 7 to 11 by adding 4 nodes. Thank you for watching. For any queries or feedback, you can write to us at hp-aruba-techub-india@hp.com.